Now come to next. This one is subtraction with regrouping. Okay. So these two numbers I have taken, 75,532 and 22,623. So what shall we do first? We just check which one is the greatest one. So we know that 75,532 is greatest number. This one is greater than 22,623. Now come to next. So first we have to write this one, 75,532, then 22,623. Then we give sign minus the subtraction sign you have to give. Now come to next. Then we start subtraction from the ones place. This is the ones place. So here you see 2 minus 3. Is it possible? No. So what shall we do? We borrow 1 from tens place. So this one is 12. Now 12 minus 3 is possible because 12 is greater than 3. So 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. So 9. We have already solved ones place. Okay. Now come to next. Then come to tens place. So this is the tens place. So actually we have borrowed 1 from tens place. So now in tens place 2 is there. Means 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay. So 2 minus 2 is possible. So this one is 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Now come to hundreds place. So this is 100 place. So 5 is written over here and 6 is written over here. So 5 minus 6 is not possible. So again what shall we do? We just borrow 1 from thousands place. So this one is 15 now. So 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. Okay. So now come to next. Come to thousands place. In thousands place already we have taken 1 from 5. So now 4 is there, means 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. We have borrowed 1 from thousands place to hundreds place. So now 4 is there. So what shall we do now? Now 4 minus 2. So that one is 2. Okay. We solved this one, thousands place. Now come to 10,000s place. So this is 10,000s place. So 7 is there and 2 is there. So subtraction is possible because 7 is greater than 2. So 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Okay. Now we solved this problem. So your answer is 52,909. Got it? Now come to next. So this is addition and subtraction together. So this sum, it is given over there, 38,956 plus 7,953 minus 29,580. So what shall we do first? First step is we just add those numbers, 38,956 and 7,953. Okay. So first you do addition. So you will get this result, 46,909. Then second step, in second step what shall we do? We just subtract from this number. This is the sum of those these two numbers. So from this number we subtract 29,580. So 29,580, sorry, first you write 46,909, then minus sign you have to put and 29,580. So 29,580 is the smaller number. So this is smaller than 46,909. So first we write 46,909, then 29,508. Then we subtract those numbers. So finally we got this result, 17,329. thank you for watching this video, children.